In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can mod Minecraft Java Edition step by step. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing that you're going to need if you want to mod Minecraft Java Edition is a mod loader. There's a bunch of different options on there, and you could really use whatever one you would like. In this guide, though, let's go ahead and say that we're going to use Forge. The process is pretty much the exact same with every other mod loader, but Forge is the most popular. To download this, essentially go ahead and just open up a web browser of your choice, and you're going to have to close out of this Minecraft launcher before you do anything, so just make sure that you close out of that. And just search for Forge Client and hit enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Select this to bring up a page that looks like this, and then go ahead and make sure that you select the latest Minecraft version on this left hand sidebar and select installer. From here, it's going to redirect you to an ad page. Just wait about 5 seconds for this ad to finish loading, and then from here you can go ahead and hit continue up in the top right, and it's going to download that mod loader for you. Essentially, once it does download, just click on it to open it up, and from here you can close out this web browser. You're going to want to make sure that install client is selected, and then of course this should automatically be set to the correct path to Minecraft. Just hit OK. Wait for it to load. It's not going to take too long. But while that's loading, what you can go ahead and do is install Java if you don't already have it. Once again, open up a web browser and just search for java.com, hit enter, and download Java for your Windows desktop or whatever your desktop might be. You should be good to go. This is mainly just because everything does require Java to work. Now from here, just keep this going. Might take a second. Stay on a web browser and just search specifically for CurseForge, and this is how you're going to download and install any mods. You don't have to specifically use this site. I just think it's the most convenient and easiest. Just select Minecraft once you get on this page, then hit browse all, and then what I would recommend doing is just filtering it specifically by your mod loader to Forge, and then of course you can also filter it to whatever the current game version of Minecraft is. So right now it is 1.21.11. Select that, and you can either directly search for a mod through here, or you can just find whatever one you would like. For example, let's just say I want to, I don't know, I guess get Terra Blender for Forge, which allows you to, I believe, add a bunch of different biomes. It's pretty cool. Open up the mod page, go ahead and select files, and from here you're going to want to filter once again by the correct game version and of course the correct loader. Once you do that, go ahead and select these three little dots and hit download file, and just wait once again about 5 seconds for that to load, and you're going to want to keep track of this right here. Now from here, go ahead and just open up that Minecraft launcher, and it should say Forge down here. If it doesn't, just select the little arrow here, select Forge, and then select the Installations tab right here, and scroll down to that same Forge tab and select this Open Installations Folder tab, which will redirect you to a page that looks like this. Scroll down on this page till you see mods. If you don't see a mods folder, just right click on anywhere in here and click new, and then hit folder and then create a mods folder. Just make sure it's spelled exactly like this, all lowercase. And from here, open this up, and if you have any previous mods, you'll see it in here. I'm just going to delete this one real quick. But essentially, what you're going to want to do is open up another file explorer, go to that downloads page, and just drag that mod that you just downloaded in here. Just like that, you now have mods here in Minecraft. From here, you can back out of these and then go ahead and just go back to this little play section. Once again, just confirm that it says Forge here and then hit play, and you'll get loaded into Minecraft. But that is how you can fully set up and mod Minecraft Java Edition by installing Forge, adding mods, and of course you can even add shaders by adding something like Optifine, which we'll have a video on in the next coming hours, so stay tuned for that. And you could keep adding more mods and more shaders. If you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.